Hi guys, it's Ian, and this time I'm on the floor, and the reason for that is because I'm talking about this stuff here which I printed for my kids. Yeah, I've literally been making tracks, and I didn't do that. That's something we bought. But as you can see, the centre of this, and I will show some other pictures, is a turntable, and this has been quite popular already on Thingiverse. It seems to be going down really well, and it prints in let me think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. 2 of which being these little screws that screw the top and the bottom together. Because it's fairly low level and what have you, it is surprisingly quick to print, even though it's a fair size. To go along with it, these are engine sheds, I guess. So the engine can go in there, and we'll try and avoid the ding 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 this time. But then there's kind of other bits of track and pieces that I've done either just recently or before, and they're mainly about joining to some of the existing kit that we had, but I think ultimately I want to replace everything and have a completely plastic track, just because you do. This that it's going into here was a tunnel, but it got broken, so we'll have to do some running repairs on that one, but yeah, so there's various bits, and I'll show you in close-up now.
Whee!
So my lad in particular loves the train track. So it's all kind of compatible. Some of them are a little bit of a tight fit depending on the different tracks. So we must have about 4 different tracks that are all hooked together. IKEA, Brio, I think they were certainly the ones that I knew first. Whether they kind of came up with the concept, I don't know. But Brio with a bigger make. I'm not sure that we've got any Brio, but we've definitely got IKEA. We've definitely got Asda George, and we've got some kind of no brand type ones that were bought as gifts mainly for my son. And as I say, both the kids love them. Just out of shot here, you can see there's a bit of a humpback bridge type thing that they quite like. And the main inspiration, I guess, for the turntable, as a kid, my dad bought me the turntable for the Hornby 00 trains. And I didn't have the powered one. I had the one where you kind of wound. I think it was a water pipe, I think, that you wound that round, and it turned it round. Okay, so if you've made it this far, thanks a lot for watching. If you like this content, you like bits of trains, then please give us a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel, and there'll be more of this content coming soon. Thanks.